What's up, you guys? Can you look at this hair? Just take a moment to look at this hair. This is such good hair. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review, a quick and short hair review, not 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes. It's going to be quick and straight to the point. So this hair, I got my hair, the actual bundles from a company called Molength. They're on Instagram, as well as they have a website. I will put their link down below. I actually got my closure from Amazon. The closure was very reasonable. I got it for about 40 something dollars, if that. I will put the link to that below. The hair, I got it in a length 20, 18, 16, and a couple of 14 here and there. My closure is actually a 14. This hair right here is really good. I have purchased hair from this company before, so I have colored the hair, and the hair does dye well. I lift the hair as well. It does dye really well. I would not say that if it's not true, because I am into hair, so you know I don't play. This closure right here is very good. It dyes well too. It's off of Amazon, but it's by a company called Eunice. This hair right here, I have been having this hair since last year sometime. I believe I got it in October of last year. I started off at first with 2 bundles, which was a 20 and an 18, and then this last time, to add to my wig, I got a 16. For my closure, it's in a 14. This hair does not tangle a lot at all. The bundles are very reasonable. I'm going to give you an example. For a 20-inch bundle, it's about $115 per bundle. For 18, it's about $105. For the rest of the prices, you have to go check it out, because I had to memorize that. But there is really good hair. I feel like the price is really reasonable. I remember I was using a different company before this, because I was trying to save a little bit of coins. And the company that I was using the hair from before was a little bit cheaper, but it tangled. So, and I was getting tired of having to do this. I was getting tired of that. You see how I just did that and the hair did not tangle? I'm not lying. This is not a paid sponsorship by this company. I actually paid my own coins for this hair. So I am telling the truth. I'm just trying to help you guys out, let you guys know about what I found, what I think is cool, what type of hair I think is good. I'm at work, I do nursing, I'm literally working with my hair. Sometimes I put my wig, this is a wig that I made, sometimes I put my wig up in a ponytail. Sometimes I have it down and this clipped up a little bit, and it does not like get tangly at the back, because I'll be hot sometimes, different things that I'm doing at the in the clinic. But it does not tangle. That's what leads me to continue to support this company. So if you guys want to check out this company, just go look at their Instagram. You can see all the pictures that's on there and see that I'm telling the truth. So I just wanted to let you guys know about this hair. I just want to do a quick flat iron of the hair so you guys can see. I will not do the closure, because the closure is not from them. The closure is from a different company. Let me just show you guys really quickly. These are my flat irons. I will be doing a video on these flat irons. They're really cheap, but they work so good. Look at this hair. It's really good. I love the hair. It flat irons well, it curls well. I just really like this hair, and I was like, let me do a hair video. I haven't did a hair video in so long. Let me do a review. So I really like this video. So I really like this video. I really like this hair. So I just want to let you guys know about this hair. It does not tangle. It shampoos well. It dyes well. It lifts well. It's just, the texture is good. The service is good. The owner of the company is really nice. She tries to accommodate. So I hope that you really check out this company, or check out this company and just see. It's really good. I have not, these actual bundles right here, I did not dye, but I did dye my closure from Eunice. It's off of Amazon, but it's a company called Eunice. I did dye the closure a little bit. I just lifted it up a little bit just to give me a little bit of and I cut it a little bit right here. I cut it a little bit too much, but actually the style that I was going for at the time, I had it curled and I wanted my bangs like that, so that's why the front part is a little bit shorter. But I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys subscribe. If you want to see more videos from me, just let me know what you want to see. If you want to see more hair videos, more reviews, nursing videos, whatever you want to see on my channel is going to be a combination of every little thing. Just sprinkles of Shrey. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching my video. Peace out.